All right, welcome back. Now we're going to start with the exercise for the pivot. Yes? Let me show you first. We are going to do this. Put body weight on your right leg. And from here we are going to, as an exercise, as an embellishment, we are going to do this. Tap and extend the left leg on the side. We are going to start opening our torso, and also at the same time we are going to be engaging our core so we can pivot. Sounds like a lot of work, but it's kind of simple. So opening the right shoulder blade and pivoting on the ball of your foot, your right leg, all the way around. Make sure that this one, the left, does not have body weight. When we come back, all the pivot happen chun, 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 on your right leg. That's the exercise. So don't put weight on both legs at the same time. We are going to go to the side, to the left, tap as an embellishment, right leg on the floor, but without body weight because the weight is on the left. Now, opening the left shoulder blade, engaging your core, going to your pivot. So, pivoting, 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 body weight remains only on the left leg. Right leg is free of weight. From here, we are going to start moving the torso first, the right shoulder, and we start pivoting again with body weight on the left leg throughout all the exercise. Yes? So from here, feet together, side step, and we can do it again. Ankles together, tapping, and we mark. This is just as a help. It will be almost like pushing the floor so we can rotate easier. Torso, heel off the floor, and we'll rotate. We disassociate as well, but we are doing a pivot. Torso first, in this case is the left, pivot, 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 don't over pivot, so you still have a nice line. Feet together, and we go side step. Tap, this is the last one, and we pivot, 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 pivot. Body weight is on the left, don't put weight on the right. Come back with body weight on the left, don't over rotate, so the position is still open, and we feet together. Okay, now that we have this pivot feeling, we're going to put body weight as an exercise on both legs, just to be more comfortable, and without moving your torso, we are going to engage your core, and we are going to pivot. Boom, boom. This is a great way to practice not moving the torso and using your core. Another thing that we are doing here is that we are keeping the most we can the heel off the floor. Of course, sometimes we are going to need to put it down, but of course we are not pivoting with the heel down. Heel is off the floor. Tuk, tuk. The torso is moving the less we can. And this is a great way, again, to start getting familiar with the pivot and brushing the floor. Now, follow me. We're going to put numbers so we can have continuous movement. And I will face you with my back so you can follow me. Yep. Let me rotate. And let's do this. So we start up. Side step. Tap. And we start rotating. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side step and tap. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap. Side step, transfer, tap, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Together again. Side, tap, prepare, pivot, pivot, come back, and side, transfer, tap, together, pivot, 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 come back, feet together.
Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.